started. Early Black Friday FASTPRO 232-piece 20-volt pink cordless lithium-ion drill driver and home tool set, ladies home repairing tool kit with 12-inch wide mouth open storage tool bag. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Short features highlight are include. The pink drill kit contains almost every basic hand tools you need for work and DIY projects around the house. The cordless drill driver is powered by a max powerful 20-volt, 1.5 amp lithium-ion battery for enough power for a full range of applications. It features a 3/8 inch keyless chuck with a 19-position clutch, adjusts torque output to control the depth of the screw or fastener. The drill is designed with variable 2-speed settings, 0 to 400 rpm and 0 to 1500 rpm, for multiple purposes. Pliers are constructed by forged steel with heat treatment for strength and durability, hardened cutting edge for easy jobs, durable 12-inch tool bag for well organization. Tool bag is constructed by 600D polyester fabric for durability, wide open mouth for easy approach to the tools. 6 pockets outside and 6 pockets inside. If you want to get full features and full details of FASTPRO 232-piece, please visit the link in YouTube description.